Hello Heptagon, it's been a while. Sorry.
Making videos happily on Nerfateria Island. On Nerfateria Island.
This video is going to be in 3 parts. 1, Rowena, 2, Harry Potter, and 3, kind of like an update on my life because I haven't made a video in forever. So first, Rowena. Happy birthday, Rowena. You're 16 years old today. I hope you had a good birthday, and I hope you have a good 16th year. So happy birthday. I can't sing, like, at all, so I found a video, and I'll put it in the description, so if you want to watch that, then you can do that. But otherwise, yeah, happy birthday. The second thing that I wanted to talk about today is Harry Potter. I wore this to school today. They're making more movies. They're going to be spin-offs, and the first one is going to be Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. They're all like little 50-page books that J.K. Rowling wrote for charity, and I'm very excited. I was like jumping up and down when I found out, and I can't wait for that to happen. And the third part of the video is kind of like what I've been doing since I haven't been making videos in like several weeks. 1, I got my driver's license, which is scary. 2, I got an iPhone because I got my driver's license. And also I'm kind of like past the point where like I apply to like all these different like clubs and like activities and stuff. So right now I'm president of this club that I've been in for 3 years. I think I'm going to be stage manager of my school's musical, and I'm doubtful about National Honor Society, but we'll see. Also, school started 2 weeks ago, which, but my first 2 classes are optional computer classes, which are actually really fun. So my first hour I learned how to code, and then my second hour is multimedia. So right now I'm learning Photoshop, and at the end of the semester I will be learning like video editing. So, and our final project is to make a like commercial or small video. So I'm thinking that if it lines up at the right time, then I can totally edit the Project for Awesome video, which would be cool because I can actually use like a decent editor and stuff. So let's hope that all works out. Happy birthday, Rowena. DFTBA Heptagon. I'll see you next week.